everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gina, Crafty Grandma Gina. I got another Happy Mail today. I actually got it yesterday. It is my Yarnable box. So we're going to open it and see what's inside. Well, I pulled it all out. I can't see the yarn yet. It's hidden in the bag. So we got it out. Set the box over here so I could put stuff in it. Well, let's see what the card is. Let's see. It says, "We love selfies. Snap a pic." They want me to take a pic. Okay, this is what I want. We got what's inside it. It's the Grape Crush. It's brought to us by the Sugar Plum Fairies, Fresh Snow, and Twinkle Lights. So that's a little hint about what's in here. Grape Crush. The extras we got, let's see, let's dump them out so I can pick them up as I find which one it is. They all are in this little silver organza bag. So the first one is a Sip Stitch enamel pin from Channy P's Corner. Oh, that's really cute. It says Sip and Stitch. Oh, you can't see it very good. Let's take it out of this plastic so you can see it good. It's a wine glass with some yarn balls in it. And at the very bottom down there, I don't know if you can see it, it says Sip and Stitch right down here. Sip and Stitch. That is so cute. Very cute. I like it. I might put it on one of my project bags. And then we got some glass cling beverage markers. Oh, they go on your wine glass. Well, if I can get it open, I'll show you. Well, I guess I don't need it open. It says, "I drink and I knit things." They're window clings. Those are kind of cute. I like the design, the colors. They're pretty. So they're window clings to put on your wine glass. And then we got Sip Knit stainless steel straw set. Let's see. Oh, it says Slip Slip Knit. Or Sip Sip Knit. If you're a knitter, you know what that means. The Slip Slip Knit is. It's a decrease in knitting. Okay, so I got a little brush. Oh, it's got some threads on it. Let's get those out of here. It's a little brush. I'll put it back in here. And it goes for these straws. I got 2 bent straws and 2 straight straws. But I don't use water bottles. But they're cool. My Miles will use them, my grandson. If I ever let him know they're down here. Or my niece, she does too. I could send her them for Christmas. Okay, now for the, oh my goodness. I'm going to open them both so you can see them together. Well, I can see why they're called Grape Crush. They're very pretty. I'm going to have fun making something with these. Look at this. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Nice pinks and purples. There's a little bit of blue down in there and up in here. And there's some purples. Oh, these are pretty. And I get the DK. So this is called Grape Crush. It's a plush. Oh, this is so soft. It's a plush DK of 100% superwash merino. Each of them are 100 grams, 218 yards. Ooh, I think I want to make me a hat out of these. They're pretty soft. Nice. Oh, they smell like wool. So, that's my box. And I also did my little scratchy here. And I got 25% off. But I went there, and there's no yarn on their site at all. So I'm going to have to wait till closer to the end of the month or the beginning of next month before the new one comes out. Because you have the whole month. Oh, before the end of December. So, oh, it has a little did you know. The month of December originally had 30 days. Around 700 BCE, the month dropped to 29 days. When the Julian calendar was adopted, 2 days were added, taking the month to 31 days. Huh, I did not know that. It's right here in the little fun fact. Oh, that's pretty cool. Well, thanks for watching me open my Yarnable box. Pretty excited. It was a nice box. Thanks, Yarnable. Y'all have a great day, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed my videos. Bye-bye now.